Asus TUF Gaming Laptop. FX505DY-ES51. Review. Deal discount. Unboxing setup. Overview. Though Intel and Nvidia make good products that can provide a lot of performance, both have increasingly come at a premium as the years progressed. I know that there are others out there, who like me, intentionally stick with AMD products. Their price for performance is consistently better, and they provide the only competition that keeps the Intel/Nvidia duopoly from becoming criminally expensive. Battery. I have given the battery 5 stars. Pros. Good size for 15.6, no thick bezels, lightweight compact chassis. Boots in a few seconds thanks to the M.2 Nvme SSD. Easy to upgrade, take screws off bottom, pop it off, full access. Has slot ready to go for a traditional 2.5 inches SSD, or HDD, alongside the existing M.2, includes mounting screws. Initial boot up with firmware update available and completed through Windows Update. Nice touch for the less tech-savvy. Uses AMD's newest, high-performance, low-power draw, mobile CPU, designed for mobile gaming, etc. Quiet, like dead quiet with basic tasks, and even when gaming the fans aren't that loud. Negative. Limited ports, 3 USB, 1 HDMI, 1 audio, 1 Ethernet. Get yourself a USB hub, you'll likely need it. It's standard today, the battery is built in. It helps on space-saving designs. As noted above though, replacement appears like it would be easy because for the most part removing the bottom gives you full interior access. I have no complaints. I received a good machine at a good price. And the few games I have played, like Overwatch, were an enjoyable experience. Bear in mind this is not a $2,000 gaming laptop, and reigning over expectations. This will likely play any game out, but you may have to tinker with the graphics a little bit for optimal performance. This computer is not for those with little tinkering and software experience. You must properly update all drivers and remove any junk programs straight out of the box. Windows must be fully updated before installing the newest Radeon software or otherwise the graphics card will crash causing a blue screen. Either way AMD warns of this happening on their site. Other than that this laptop is amazing for the money. SSD is very fast and the Ryzen 5 3550H plus RX 560X combo is very snappy and loves to run games. Fans are noisy under max load but what gaming laptop isn't? While unplugged you can set it on silent mode and the fans will literally turn off and be dead silent as long as you are doing casual browsing or utilizing simple programs like Word. I would definitely recommend this to anyone that is looking for a budget option. Overall great product. Highly recommended. Special discount on product. Get the discount link in the description box. Thanks for the watching. Have a nice day.